Namaskaram. Hi, I'm Avika Gaur, and you're watching me on Bharat Today. And a lot of wishes and a lot of luck to this channel because it's a new baby. So keep watching this channel, keep taking my interviews like that, and keep me connected with my audiences. I was also always into dancing, and I wanted to be a choreographer. So acting just happened, and in that just happened, I'm here. I was getting characters for films. Doesn't matter which language. I was getting character for even for Hindi. So there were many stories which I heard, and there were many restrictions I have as an actor. Because I only do family entertainers and I only do characters which I'm comfortable with and all of that. So according to those restriction and the apt idea which I had in my mind according to my age, I was 16 when I did my first film Uyala Jampala. So according to my age and the way I looked and way I am, I think Uyala Jampala was the perfect film I could have ever got, and that's the reason I opted for Telugu. I would like to experiment. Maybe if I talk about only acting, I would like to act in different kind of films. Like for example, Devi's character in Sadma or Amitabh Bachchan's character in Pa. I think those are what I look up to. And I have always said this, that my role model is Kajol. And why Kajol? The reason is because she was never in the league of competition of being the number one. No, she was way above the league and she was the best. So I really look up to that, and I want to be remembered that way. I do not want to come in the league of fighting for being number one or any of that. I just want people to like me, love me, and because of their blessings, wherever I'm supposed to go, I will go. I better watch movies. I like Prabhudeva movies. I better watch that again and again. Books, no. I can watch, I can read the comic, but Prabhudeva movies are better. Most of my friends belong to the same industry of acting, or maybe director's daughter or any of that, because I started in this industry when I was 8, so it's been 10 years now I'm in this industry, and whomever I made friends with, they were mostly from this industry. So we don't meet very often, but whenever we meet, we know that we love each other, and I have a real good friends in Mumbai. See, there is this friend of mine whose name is Manish. In Mumbai, he's my co-actor there. The best part about him, I would say, is I call myself Abbas and he calls himself Mastan. So we are the Abbas and Mastan. And we are also into film behind the camera stuff. So we keep doing stuff. Even now, we were supposed to dub for the short film we are making. So my friendship with him is also the Abbas Mastan friendship. So that's the most special and the fun friendship I've ever had. All of them I think are my close friends. And if I talk about Telugu, Rashi is I really love her. And other than Rashi, I think Ritu Varma and all of these people, I think we keep meeting in the award functions. We keep meeting here and there, whether we are performing somewhere or interviews or news channels, everywhere. So we keep meeting and we are good friends, and it is fun to have friends of the same industry. I think the memorable incident of my life will be Balika Vadhu happening to me, because that was something which completely changed my life. Because of that, maybe I got what I got, the fame. Maybe I got what I got, which is the love from the audiences. I didn't know that Chinnari Peli Kutru is so famous here, and then I got to know, and I think Balika Vadu completely changed my life, and that was the most memorable moment of my life. Lizards. No, actually, no, I'm not scared of anything like that. But I am scared of taking people for granted and then losing them. And also, I'm scared of when people take me for granted. So, that is one thing.